How to fix GeForce Experience ShadowPlay recording not working on Windows. 1. Restart NVIDIA streamer service. 2. Using the recommended uninstall tool Pro in this video guide, then reinstall NVIDIA driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 3. Enable desktop capture. Path, preferences overlays. 4. Log in then log out your Twitch account from ShadowPlay. Path, ShadowPlay my rig ShadowPlay set manual no to ShadowPlay account. 5. Turn on share in GeForce Experience. Path, settings general. 6. Remove and reinstall GeForce Experience. 7. Use another game recording software on the web.